our popsicle rack. First off, the overall dimensions. Of a length of 6.5 inches. The depth, 9 inches. Overall depth from the left to right lip, we have 10.5 inches. Internal measurements for each will include 6 inches in length, 1 3/4 inches in depth by 2 inches high. Measurements apply for the 4 compartments or rows to hold and display your popsicles. This popsicle holder can be purchased through our website and will fit all the display models that we carry through our company. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.